On today's menu, a little twist on an all-time favorite. Lemonade has got to be one of the easiest and most refreshing drinks to make, but today we're going to make it with an incredible matcha. It smells incredible, and you can always tell by the quality if it's certified organic from Japan, and it's really nice and green. Now be generous with that scoop of amazing matcha. Hot water. To whisk, you want to whisk in a M or W motion. And if successful, you get a really nice, super frothy matcha. Now the M stands for matcha, and the W, of course, stands for will. Rinse. Maple syrup. Fresh lemon. Cold water. Matcha. Ice. Incredibly easy and so refreshing. Matcha lemonade.